Hi, my name is Betha Dennis, all the way from Tanzania. I'm so happy to be here in the workshop in Benin and giving back my experience working with children with disability for over 10 years. It's always been that people with disability are left behind, but the beautiful thing about this movement is that children with disabilities are the one giving their voices. They're showing what they're able to do. And what I love about the workshop that's happening right now in Benin is that children with disabilities are sharing their views, their ideas on how the world should be, the inclusivity that we think that cannot be possible. Through this workshop, children are proving it to be possible. We are working to create a film. This film will kind of revolutionize how children with disabilities speak. It's a voice for the voiceless. So I'm hoping that you take your time to watch this video coming up soon. It's going to be a wonderful film created by children with disabilities and children without disabilities. So it's inclusive. Yeah, take your time, watch it, and you will enjoy. Thank you.